Dubai International Airport is the world's busiest airport by international passenger traffic. It is also the busiest airport in the Middle East, and the second busiest airport in the world by passenger traffic. It is the busiest airport for Airbus A380 and Boeing 777 movements, and the airport with the highest average number of passengers per flight. In 2023, the airport handled over 87 million passengers. As of January 2024, over 8,000 weekly flights are operated by 100 airlines to over 262 destinations across all inhabited continents. Over 63% of travelers using the airport in 2018 were connecting passengers. Emirates is the largest airline operating at the airport, with an all-wide-body fleet of over 200 Airbus and Boeing aircraft, providing services to the Middle East, Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and New Zealand. It operates out of Terminal 3, Concourses A, B, and C. Fly Dubai is a low-cost airline planning to operate over 100 aircraft on scheduled passenger services to and from Dubai, to the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and South Asia. It operates from Terminal 2 in, since December 2018, also from Terminal 3 for selected destinations. Dubai International Airport has 3 terminals. Terminal 1 has 1 concourse, Concourse D. Terminal 2 is set apart from the other 2 main buildings, and Terminal 3 is divided into concourses A, B, and C. Terminals 1 and 3 are directly connected with a common transit area, with airside passengers being able to move freely between the terminals without going through immigration. Terminal 2 is on the opposite side of the airport. For transients passengers, a shuttle service runs between the terminals, with a journey time of around 20 minutes from Terminal 2 to Terminal 1 and 30 minutes to Terminal 3. Passengers in Terminal 3 who need to transfer between Concourse A and the rest of the terminal have to travel via an automated people mover. Also, after early 2016, when the construction of Concourse D was done, there is now an automated people mover between Concourse D and terminal. Terminals 1 and 3 cater to international passengers. Terminal 1 has a capacity of 45 million passengers. It is used by over 100 airlines and is connected to Concourse D by an automated people mover. It is spread over an area of 520,000 square meters and offers 221 check-in counters. It was originally built within the airport's old building to handle 18 million passengers. However, with extreme congestion at the terminal, the airport was forced to expand the terminal to accommodate 28 remote gates. In 2013, Dubai Airport announced a major renovation for Terminal 1 and Concourse C. The renovations include upgraded baggage systems, replacement of check-in desks, and a more spacious departure hall. Arrivals also saw improvements to help reduce waiting times. The renovation was completed by the middle of 2015. Planning began for further expansion of Dubai Airport, with the construction of Terminal 4. It was revealed on the day Emirates completed its phased operations at the new Terminal 3, on the 14th of November 2008. Terminal 2, built in 1998, has an area of 47,000 square meters and has a capacity of 10 million as of 2013, after several, decent reconstructions and a major expansion in 2012 which saw capacity double. It is used by over 50 airlines, mainly operating in the Gulf region. Most flights operate to India, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Afghanistan and Pakistan. In June 2009, Terminal 2 became the hub of Air India Express and Fly Dubai, and the terminal houses the airline's corporate head office. Terminal 2 has undergone a major refurbishment recently, extending check-in and boarding facilities, changing the interior and exterior decor, and offering more dining choices to passengers. Capacity was increased to allow for 10 million passengers, an increase of 5 million. The terminal has now increased the number of facilities available to passengers. Check-in counters have increased to 37. The boarding area is more spacious. Gates allow several flights to board simultaneously, improving passenger and aircraft movements. There are a total of 43 remote stands at the terminal. However, passengers cannot move between Terminal 2 to 1 or from 2 to 3 and vice versa inside the airport. They have to make use of taxi or public transport available outside. Terminal 2 has no jet bridges and passengers are bused to the aircraft at gates F1, F12. The Barclay Underground Terminal 3 was built for $4.5 million United States dollars, exclusively for Emirates, and has a capacity of 65 million passengers. In March 2023, United began services from Newark to Dubai, operating out of Terminal 3, becoming the only airline other than Emirates and Fly Dubai to currently operate out of the terminal. Upon completion, Terminal 3 was the largest building in the world by floor space, with over 1,713,000 square meters of space, capable of handling 60 million passengers in a year. The building includes a multi-level underground structure, first in business class lounges, restaurants, 180 check-in counters, and 2,600 car parking spaces. The terminal offers more than double the previous retail area of Concourse C by adding about 4,800 square meters and Concourse B's 10,700 square meters of shopping facilities. In arrivals, the terminal contains 72 immigration counters and 14 baggage carousels. The baggage handling system is the largest and also the deepest in the world. It can handle 8,000 bags per hour. The system includes 21 screening injection points, 49 makeup carousels, 90 kilometers, 56 miles of conveyor belts capable of handling 15,000 items per hour at a speed of 27 kilometers per hour and 4,500 early baggage storage positions. Concourse A, part of Terminal 3, opened in January 2013 with a capacity of 19 million passengers and is connected to the two major public levels of Terminal 3 via Terminal 3 APM in addition to the vehicular and baggage handling system utility tunnels for further transfer. The concourse opened on the 2nd of January 2013 and was built for $3.3 billion United States dollars. The building, which follows the characteristic shape of Concourse B, is 924 meters long, 91 meters wide, and 40 meters high in the center from the apron level and accommodates 20 air bridge gates, which are capable of handling the Airbus A300 and A800. There are also 6 remote lounges for passengers departing on flights parked at 13 remote stands. The gates in Concourse A are labeled A1, A24. Gates A6, A7, A18, and A19 are not equipped with jet bridges and so passengers departing from these gates are bused to the aircraft. The concourse includes one 4-star hotel and one 5-star hotel, first in business class lounges, and duty-free areas. The total built-up area is 540,000 square meters. The concourse allows for multi-level boarding and hosts the largest first in business class lounges in the world. Each lounge has its dedicated flow offering direct aircraft access from the lounges. The total amount of retail space at the concourse is 11,000 square meters and there is also a total of 14 cafes and restaurants. Concourse B is directly connected to Terminal 3 and is dedicated exclusively to Emirates. The total built-up area of the concourse itself is 675,000 square meters. The concourse is 945 meters long, 90.8 meters wide at midpoint, and 49.5 meters high. The terminal has 10 floors, 4 basements, a ground floor, and 5 above floors. The building currently includes a multi-level structure for departures and arrivals and consists of 32 gates, labeled B1, B32. The concourse has 26 air bridge gates, gates B7, B32, and 5 boarding lounges, B1, B6, for 14 remote stands that are for Airbus A340 and Boeing 777 aircraft only. For transit passengers, the concourse has 3 transfer areas and 62 transfer desks. The concourse also includes the Emirates First and Business Class lounges, and the Marhaba Lounge. The First Class Lounge has a capacity of 1,800 passengers and a total area of 12,600 square meters. The Business Class Lounge has a capacity of 3,000 passengers and a total area of 13,500 square meters. The Marhaba Lounge, the smallest lounge at the concourse, has a capacity of 300 passengers at a time. Concourse C, a part of Terminal 3, was opened in 2000 and used to be the largest concourse at Dubai International Airport before Concourse B in Terminal 3 opened. It incorporates 50 gates, including 28 air bridges at gates C1, C23, except for C12A, C15, and C15A, and 22 remote gates located at a lower level of the terminal at gates C29, C15. The gates are labeled C1, C50. Dubai Airport has 2 closely spaced parallel runways, 12R, 30L and 2L, 30R. The gap between the center lines of the 2 runways is 385 meters. The runways are equipped with 4 sets of ILS to guide landing aircraft safely under deplorable weather conditions. The runways were expanded to accommodate the Airbus A380 which came into service in 2007. Welcome to Dubai and United Arab Emirates.
سادتي من أجل سلامتكم المرجو منكم البقاء جالسين في مقاعدكم حتى التوقف التام للطائرة وانتظار إجراءات ربط أحزمة المقاعد.
Subscribe and let US grow.